Now children, discussion of some important terms which are related with spectrum and structure of atom in terms of number of fundamental particles like electron, proton and neutron. So first is electromagnetic spectrum. What do you mean by electromagnetic spectrum? As you know, electromagnetic, it means presence of two fields, electric field and magnetic field, right? And alignment of both fields at which angle? 90-degree angle is known as electromagnetic spectrum, right? In electromagnetic spectrum, wavelengths are arranged in a systematic manner. Systematic means first part of electromagnetic spectrum is cosmic rays, right? In leftmost, which rays or which radiations are included in electromagnetic spectrum? Cosmic. After cosmic, then gamma rays. After gamma rays, then X-rays. Okay? And after X-rays, then UV rays, ultraviolet rays. Okay children? This is narrow part of electromagnetic spectrum which is known as visible spectrum. Only this part is visible. Only these wavelengths are visible. How many colors are given? 7. Arrangement of 7 colors collectively which are known as Vidyot. Okay children? Right? Now after visible, then infrared, and after infrared, microwaves, and after microwaves, then long radio waves. Right? This systematic arrangement of electromagnetic radiations is known as electromagnetic spectrum. What is the order of their wavelengths? As we move from cosmic rays to radio waves, wavelength always increases. So this is an increasing order of wavelength. As you know, according to this relationship, nu is equal to c by lambda. Wavelength is inversely proportional to frequency. So what is the increasing order of frequency of electromagnetic spectrum? Frequency is increasing from right to left. Okay children? And what is leftmost color or visible part of electromagnetic spectrum is violet, and rightmost is red. What is its wavelength in terms of nanometer? Is 400 nanometer, and this one is 800 nanometer. Clear? So this systematic arrangement of different electromagnetic waves is known as electromagnetic spectrum. Now, next scientific term is atomic number. Right? What do you mean by atomic number? Atomic number denotes either number of electrons or number of protons. Right? Always number of electron is equal to number of proton, because atom is electrically neutral, right? So total negative charge should equal to total positive charge. For example, carbon, its atomic number is 6. How many electrons are present? 6. Right? How many protons are present? 6. Right? Second is mass number. Mass number, it means sum of number of neutrons and protons. This one, mass number. Mass number, which is also known as atomic mass, is equal to sum of number of neutron plus proton. Neutrons are negatively charged particles, so not is written here, and proton positively charged particles, plus is written here. Okay children? Now example of mass number or atomic mass. Oxygen, symbol is O. Left hand side number denotes atomic number, and right hand side number denotes mass number. So what is atomic mass of oxygen? 16. Now calculate number of neutrons, because atomic mass or mass number is the sum of number of neutrons and protons. So how many neutrons are present in this oxygen? 16. Mass number minus atomic number is equal to 8. And put value of neutron in this formula and value of proton in this formula. What is obtained? 16. Okay. Proton number is equal to 8 and neutron number is equal to 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Okay children. Now next one, isotones. Isotones means when atoms of different elements having same number of neutrons, right? Such species are known as isotones. Iso means constant, number of, and tones means number of neutrons, right? Same number of neutrons, right, in different atoms, right? For example, C40 and oxygen. Okay children, one atom of carbon and one atom of oxygen, how many neutrons are present? In this carbon 14 isotopes, apply this formula, 14 minus 6, right? Total 8 neutrons are present. Oxygen 16 minus 8 is equal to 8 neutrons are present. So both are isotones. Okay. Now next one, isobars. Isobars means atoms of different elements having same mass number and different atomic numbers. Such elements are known as isobars. Right? Iso means constant. Right? I am writing here atoms, only keywords. Atoms of different elements. Okay children? Having same mass number. Same mass number are known as isobars. For example, argon. Atomic mass of argon is 40. Atomic number is 80. Second, atom of calcium. Atomic number is 20. Ca, symbol of calcium. Atomic number is 20 and mass is 40. Right? According to this concept, both are isobars. Right? One atom of argon, second atom of calcium, both are isobars. Now next one is the concept of isotopes. Isotopes is just reverse of isobars. Just opposite condition of isobars. Okay children, atoms of same elements having same atomic number. Atoms of same element, okay children, having same atomic number and different mass number. Same atomic number and different mass number are known as isotopes. Okay children, for example, different isotopes of hydrogen element 1H1, which is known as protium. Second isotope of same element, mass is 2, atomic number is same, 1H2. This is deuterium. Third one, tritium, 1H3. Right? Atomic number of each isotope of hydrogen is 1 and What is atomic mass or mass number of 1h1? 1. 1h2? 2. And 1h3? 3. Okay. One more example, uranium, which is used in nuclear reactor. 92. Heavy element. Atomic number is 200. Atomic number is 92 and mass number is 235. Second isotope 92. Uranium 237. Both are isotopes. Which property is common? Atomic number is common. Okay, children. Now next one, discussion of isoelectronic species. Iso means same and electron means electron number, right? In case of isoelectronic species, different atoms and ions are required, right? Either positive ions or negative ions. Then we can calculate number of electrons in each species, right? Iso means constant or same. Number of electrons. Okay, children. For example, Cl minus. This is negative ion. Chloride ion. Anion. Its atomic number is 17. Clear? Anion means electron is accepted or electrons are accepted. In chloride ion, how many electrons are present? 17 already present and one more electron which is coming from any metal. 17 plus 1 is equal to 18 electrons are present, right? Now isoelectronic species of chloride ion is argon. Argon is neutral atom. Its atomic number is 18. How many electrons are present? 18. Argon is isoelectronic with chloride ion. Okay. Now, example of cation, sodium atom, right? Its atomic number is 11. When one electron is removed from its valence shell, it forms a sodium ion. This one is sodium ion or cation. Okay, children? Then out of 11, how many electrons are left? Only 10. Now, isoelectronic species of sodium ion is neon. Why? Atomic number of neon is 10. Neon is noble gas. 2, 8. Okay, children? So both are isoelectronic. Mg plus 2 also. Atomic number of magnesium is 12. When 2 electrons are removed, then how many electrons are left? Mg. Mg plus 2 ion is also isoelectronic with the sodium ion and neon atom.